It is late at night in a nearly empty football stadium a few days after the World Cup final. The lights are still on, but the noise is gone, leaving only echoes and memories. Ethan, a sports writer who stayed behind, meets Lionel Messi on the sidelines as Messi returns to the pitch one last time in silence. They begin talking, slowly and honestly, about the long road that led to becoming a world champion.
I didn't expect to see anyone here tonight. And then I saw you walking alone, and I honestly froze for a second.
I'm smiling right now, because I also didn't expect anyone, and yet here we are, two people who can't sleep.
I'm nervous. My hands are shaking a little, but I have to ask, why come back to the stadium so late?
My voice feels calm here, like the grass remembers everything, and I needed to thank it quietly.
That sounds poetic, and I'm laughing softly because I never imagined hearing that from you in person.
I'm laughing too, but it's true. This place holds my fear, my hope, and that last moment when I almost cried before the penalty.
When you say that, I feel chills, because on TV you look so controlled, like nothing could touch you.
Inside, I was screaming. My heart was racing, and my legs felt heavy like stone, even after all these years.
I keep thinking about the pressure, the whole country watching, expecting you to finish a story that lasted decades.
That pressure was always there, like a shadow, and sometimes it whispered that I might fail again.
Hearing you say again hurts, because people forget how many times you carried hope and pain together.
I'm sighing now, because every final I lost stayed with me. Every tear in the locker room came back that night.
Did you think, even for 1 second, that this final could end the same way?
Yes, my voice is honest when I say that fear never leaves. It only learns to sit quietly.
I'm swallowing hard, because that sounds like something bigger than football.
Football was my language, but life taught me those lessons through it. When the match started, what was the first thing you felt?
I felt light.
Strangely light, like I had already accepted any ending, and that made me free.
Free is not the word I would expect, and I'm raising my eyebrows in surprise.
I know, I'm chuckling, but freedom came from knowing I gave everything before that day.
So becoming a champion started before the final whistle?
It started many years ago with pain, criticism, and learning how to stand up again.
I can hear pride in your voice, but also tiredness.
I'm tired, yes, but it's the sweet kind, the kind that lets you finally rest.
Standing here with you, I feel like the stadium is listening.
Let it listen. I'm not hiding anymore.
People talk about talent all the time, but they rarely talk about doubt, and I want to ask about that.
I'm nodding slowly because doubt was my daily companion, especially with the national team.
I remember interviews where you looked hurt, almost broken, and fans were divided.
My voice tightens when I think about it, because wearing that jersey felt heavier than any club shirt.
Was there a moment you thought about walking away?
Yes, and I'm not ashamed to say it, because loving something doesn't mean it doesn't hurt you.
I'm breathing out deeply, because that honesty is rare.
After losing finals, I would sit alone, staring at the floor, asking why my best was not enough.
And what answer did you give yourself back then?
Sometimes anger, sometimes silence, and sometimes the decision to try one more time.
One more time sounds simple, but it's heavy when the whole world is watching.
I'm smiling sadly because one more time meant training when my body wanted rest.
Did age change how you approach this tournament?
Completely. I listened to my body, my teammates, and my heart more than noise outside.
Speaking of teammates, they look like they were playing for you as much as for the trophy.
That makes my eyes warm because this group believed, not just in me, but in each other.
I noticed you talking a lot on the pitch, more than before.
I laughed more too, because joy became a weapon against fear. That's an interesting way to put it.
Joy as a weapon.
When you enjoy the fight, pressure loses power over you.
During penalties, I couldn't breathe, and I was just watching from home.
I was breathing very slowly, telling myself this is just another kick.
Just another kick, even with history on your shoulders?
History is heavy only if you try to carry it alone.
So you shared it?
Yes, with every pass, every hug, every joke in the locker room.
I'm smiling now, imagining those moments.
Those moments built the champion more than the final goal.
Do you think this win changed how you see yourself?
I see myself softer now, less angry at the past.
That sounds like peace.
It is peace, and I'm finally allowing myself to feel it.
When the final whistle blew, what was the first clear thought in your head?
I laughed and cried at the same time, thinking, it's over. It's finally over.
That mix of emotions must have been overwhelming.
My chest felt full, like years of weight disappeared in 1 second.
I remember you kissing the trophy, and it looked personal.
It was personal. My voice shakes a bit saying that, because it held my entire journey.
Did you think about your family then?
Immediately, I saw their faces, all the sacrifices, all the silent support.
Family often stays invisible to the public eye.
They carried me when I couldn't carry myself.
I'm quiet for a moment because that's powerful.
I'm taking a breath too because these memories still feel raw.
Now that you've reached this peak, what comes next?
That question makes me smile calmly because I'm not chasing anything anymore.
That sounds like freedom again.
Yes, but a different kind. One that comes from completion.
Do you feel like you proved something to the world?
I proved something to myself, and that matters more.
As a writer, I chase stories, but this feels like the end of a long book.
Or the end of one chapter and the start of a quieter one.
Quiet might be strange after so much noise.
I welcome it. My voice is soft when I say that.
If you could speak to your younger self, what would you say?
I would say, don't rush. Pain will shape you, not break you. That's something many people need to hear. I hope they listen, even if they don't love football.
Standing here now, do you feel different than when we started talking?
Lighter and grateful, like I finally said goodbye properly.
I feel honored to hear all this, honestly.
Thank you for listening without judging.
It's impossible to judge a journey like this.
I'm smiling warmly because that means a lot.
The stadium feels warmer now, doesn't it?
Or maybe we just filled it with memories.
Before we leave, I want to ask one last thing, and I hope it's okay.
Go ahead. I'm relaxed now.
What does being a world champion truly mean to you, beyond the title?
It means closure. My voice is steady. Closure with my past struggles.
Closure is a word we rarely associate with sports.
Sports reflect life more than people think.
I'm nodding because this conversation changed how I see victory.
Victory is not the trophy, it's surviving the road to it.
Do you think people will understand that?
Some will, some won't, and that's okay.
I feel a strange sadness that this moment is ending.
Endings are gentle when you accept them.
I'm smiling softly, trying to remember every word.
Remember the feeling more than the words.
I will, and I'll carry this night with me.
That makes me happy, truly.
The lights are starting to turn off. I think it's our sign.
Yes, it's time to go home.
Thank you, not just for the interview, but for the honesty.
Thank you for seeing the human, not just the player.
I wish you peace in whatever comes next.
I wish you good stories and quiet nights.
Take care, champion.
You too, my friend.